Our next video is going to be about techniques for cooking food. So the first one we're going to look at is sautéing. So we can saute food, which means cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat over a high heat, normally in a pan. Our next method could be roasting. This is where we cook food in the oven, typically at a high temperature, to achieve a browned and flavorful exterior. We can then grill food, which is cooking food over an open flame or hot grill grates, imparting a smoky and charred flavor. For example, we might grill chicken. Then we have steaming, which is cooking food just by using the steam from boiling water, typically in a covered container or steamer basket. For example, steamed broccoli. We also can bake food, which is where we just cook food in the oven using dry heat. This is often used for bread, pastries, or casseroles. Our next technique is frying, which is very common, cooking food in hot oil or fat, resulting in a crispy or golden exterior, but this may not be the healthiest. Our next and penultimate technique is poaching, which is where we cook food gently in liquid, usually water or a broth, at a low temperature to retain the moisture. And our last one is simmering, which is where we cook the food over a low heat in liquid just below the boiling point, allowing the flavors to meld and really intensify.